morning, everybody. And the sad part of today, it is still snowing. And the question is, are we still going? All right, we have made it. We are here in Minnesota at Cabela's, and we are gonna go inside and get what I said we were gonna get. So, enjoy. Oh guys, well, I'm at the spot. Let me show you what we are going to be getting. It's gonna be a game changer, y'all, but I need to go find someone because I don't want to carry this by myself. So let's get it. Oh yeah, I should really like this. All this room. Stand up. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a game changer. Thank you guys. Just load it up.
Take this.
Go home. We got the kayak. We're on our way back home. Thanks for the Padre driving. The brother for the company. Also got having her new kennel for hunting season. So we're pretty much good to go. Can't wait to get her out and fish. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, here is what we brought back from Cabela's from last week. It's been a week from then. But I still got it in the wrapping paper because it's been cold. So this is basically gonna be like a unboxing. So here we go. Cut right into the plastic. Sink right away. I didn't think this knife was going to work very good because it's dull. They were nice enough. I didn't think this was going to be wrapped. So it didn't get dirty on the drive back. That's nice. Almost open. Bam. Now I lost my knife. There it is. Don't know what that is. That is. Bam. Seat's broken. Sweet. Just kidding. Bam. I don't know if that's how it goes, but we'll figure it out. Go get all this wrapping paper out of the way, and then you guys will be on the camera. That's going right here. Catch you guys later.